Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, I told you about the formulae of inverse trigonometric function, and today we will solve some question based on the formulae. Here we have method how to apply the substitution method. In some special questions, to remove this under root, we make some substitution. For example, if we have under root of a square minus x square, then we put x equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. When you put x equal to a sin theta, then it will become under root of a square minus a square sin square theta, under root of a square 1 minus cos square theta, a square sin square theta, and it is a sin theta. Similarly, if we have expression of under root of a square plus x square, then put x equal to a tan theta, or we can also put a cot theta. So you can see that if you put x equal to a tan theta, it is a square plus a square tan square theta, a square common 1 plus tan square theta, a square secant square theta, and it is a secant theta. Similarly, if we have identity of under root of ax square minus a square, put x equal to a sin theta or a cosec theta. You can also put a cosec theta, and when you put here, it is a square secant square theta minus a square common secant square theta minus 1, a square tan square theta, and it is a tan theta. So we have many of the questions where we can take the benefit of this substitution method, this special question. For example, I am taking question number 5, NCERT question of exercise 1.2.2. Question is simplify tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Dear student, we also find these type of question in chapter number 5 in differentiation. Same question and same substitution. Here it is under root of 1 plus x square. 1 means 1 square. So it is like under root of a square plus x square. Here if you take a equal to 1, we get a substitution. So we will put x equal to tan theta. X equal to a tan theta because a is 1. So x is equal to tan theta. So that later on theta we use tan theta is equal to tan inverse x. When you put in this, it will become tan inverse under root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. In the given expression, we are putting x equal to tan theta, tan inverse under root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. When we simplify using the identities, one plus tan square theta, this is equal to under root of secant square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Tan inverse, it is secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So we have removed the under root sign from here. Then further, we will break in terms of sin cos. Secant theta 1 upon cos theta minus 1. Tan theta, this is sin theta upon cos theta. Further, this is equal to LCM cos theta 1 minus cos theta, it is sin theta upon cos theta. This cos theta cancel, we will get it is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Further, using the trigonometric formula, 1 minus cos theta, it is 2 sine square theta by 2, and the sine theta, consider this as sine 2a. Sine 2a, 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, tan inverse, it is tan theta by 2. 2 cancel, 1 sine cancel. This is theta upon 2, which is 1 by 2, tangent inverse x. So it is a simplified form of this. Further, I am taking question number 9, similar type of question. Tan inverse x upon under root of a square minus x square, its domain, mod of x must less than a. So as I told you earlier, here we will put x equal to a sine theta. X upon a is sine theta, and from here theta is sine inverse x upon a. Later on we will use this. So the given expression, tan inverse a sine theta upon under root of a square minus a square sine square theta. Further, tan inverse a sine theta under root of a square common 1 minus cos square theta. It is tan inverse a sine theta under root of a square, sorry, it is sine square theta, it is a square cos square theta. This is tan inverse a sine theta upon a cos theta. A cancel, tan inverse tan theta, which is further tan theta, and value of theta is sine inverse x upon a. So this is the simplified form of the given expression, tan inverse under root x upon under root of a square minus x square. Further, now I am taking question number 8. Simplify tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. There no need to make any substitution. It is a trigonometric function. Here it is tan inverse. We will try to change this as in terms of tan. How? Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta, cos x minus sin x upon cos x. It is in terms of cos x. Cos x plus sin x upon cos x. When we separate this, 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Tan inverse. This 1 can be written as tan pi by 4, making the identity, minus 10x, 1 plus, it is 10 pi by 4 into 10x. Now this is the formula, 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10 into 10b, which is further tan inverse 10 pi by 4 minus x. Why? Because tan a minus b, it is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. We have used this identity. So it will become pi by 4 minus x. This is the simplified form of the given expression, given inverse trigonometric expression. Further, I am taking question number 15. Question number 15, this is an equation, it is not identity. Tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Solve it. Dear students, read the question carefully. It is not an identity. Some student try by taking left hand side and try to do right hand side. No. It is solve the equation, means we have to take this like an equation and we will find out value of x. This is tan inverse A, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And we have identity tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is the identity. I have used the identity tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, that xy less than 1. I have used this identity. Now this tan inverse, it can be taken the right side and simultaneously you take the LCM. LCM x minus 2 x plus 2. It is x minus 1 into x plus 2 x plus 1 x minus 2. Here again LCM x minus 2 x plus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 minus x minus 1 x plus 1, and this is equal to tan pi by 4. LCM cancel with LCM. Simplify this. X square plus 2x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 upon x square minus 4, and it is x square minus 1, which is equal to 1, because value of tan pi by 4 is 1. 2x cancel, x cancel, in the denominator x square cancel. We get 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to 1. This is 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. 2x square is equal to 4 minus 3. 2x square is equal to 1. X square is 2, 1 by 2, and x is plus minus 1 by root 2. This is the question. Here, this is not, I first of all, again I am repeating, it is not an identity. It is an equation we have to solve, means we have to find out value of x. By solving this, we get value of x is plus minus 1 by 2. Thank you.